Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to rotate all these pictures, okay, how to rotate from horizontal to vertical at one shot, okay. I have 341 files, okay. So for example, some files are in vertical, it is in good shape, but if you see other pictures, right, it is displaying in horizontal version. So I want to put it on straight, okay. So example, first these pictures I have horizontal, right? I'm going to make it vertical. It's very simple. On your Windows Explorer, there is a options rotate right. Just click on this right. All will be turned to right position. It's very simple. So same thing, whichever right. So deleting this, all these pictures again, I am selecting it, rotate right. If you want to make it right, left, you can do it. Even right, the straight one, if you want to make it left, you can choose. I mean, you can do like that. You need not to open each file and you need not to rotate it. Okay, simply you can select in the Windows Explorer and you can use this functionality. Rotate right. So all are changed, I guess. Yes. Again, these pictures. And some pictures I need to turn it to left side. So I'm going to choose rotate left. Okay, again I'm going to do it for right. Select multiple files. All these I need to rotate it to left. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can rotate the files in Windows Explorer. You need not to open separate file. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care.